please read this disclaimer carefully before proceeding further. Hello and welcome to this premium analysis. So I'm going to cover Dow Jones, US30 and SnP500. So what we have on Dow Jones is that, as you might have already noticed and heard in the media that, the market is crashing and all that. Just don't trust that. Just go to the chart and look for yourself. So what I'm going to do is just remove this, right? So what US30 or Dow Jones has done this is the COVID level. Okay, since that market has been going up and now we have a correction. Okay, so the market is going like this. The market went higher, right, and then fell down, went higher and fell down. So this is right now where it is right now, and this was the correction here. So the structure is like this, and this is simply a correction, right? So market usually goes up and then performs a correction and then starts to resume the previous trend. So which means that it needs to come to a certain level where it can just bounce from. Now it remains to be seen whether it actually resumes the trend and goes to all-time high or not. That's a different matter. The main thing is that whether it is going to bounce from a particular level or not, because that can actually give us very good long opportunities, and it can also give us a little relief in any kind of short opportunities you might be stuck in, or stocks or whatever. So that is why we should be looking at this level here. And if that is the case, then if I bring in the analysis here, what you can see that the market is approaching a particular level here, which is also a previous gap. It is overextending itself just to reach this particular gap and close it. This is around 28471, and in that process it is also creating an M pattern, and when M pattern completes, the market goes up, right? So that means it can actually still keep on falling for a week or maybe a week and a half or so, and then it can bounce up. So this is Dow Jones, and let's look at SnP500 very quickly. So SnP500 is kind of little brother of Dow Jones. So whatever is going to happen on US30 this is also going to get repeated here. You can see this, there is similar sort of structure here, pretty much like Dow Jones. So we have this M pattern which is also forming, and it has completed, but it can still fall down to 3500, right, approximately. Why? Because we have this structure here, we have this particular gap of label, and we have this M pattern forming, and at the same time there was a demand zone previously. So that is also a possibility. So for a week or so, again, it can still keep on falling down, and as soon as it touches around here, and if we see any kind of confirmation, then market may start to rise back up. Find and follow us on these social media channels.